All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. Proud to present this 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SL model, this beautiful gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, super nice heated seats, fog lights, best of all, minimum damage to front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. Have some curbing. Very minimum, not even call it, maybe like about an inch. Let's check out your tire tread. It's just over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. That's some curbing. Likewise, very minimum here. Not even gonna call it about 3 inches. And your tire tread is just under 7/32. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. I'm sorry, no dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. You jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Sorry, I was listening to the World Cup. All right, folks, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You do see a airbag light on, and there's your mileage of 303. Pretty much completes the tour. Does have heated seats right there, and your backup camera. So, keeping it moving. Is your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest, cup holders, rear bumper. Looks good. Deck lid. Looks good. Is your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and stuff, and then owner's manual tucked away there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger rim. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Tire tread is at 6/32. There's a dent here, no paint off. This door looks good. Front the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good, and your tire tread is just over 7/32. Lights are working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Altima, the 2.5 SL model with 31,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.